Welcome to my channel ByteTech. Today I will show you how to enable virtualization on the motherboard Gigabyte GA-AB350 Gaming-3 for VMware Workstation Pro 17. Demonstration of the error. Fixing the error. Restarting the computer. To access the BIOS setup program, press the delete key during the post when the power is turned on. Go to the tab MIT and select Advanced Frequency Settings. Then select Advanced CPU Settings and next SVM mode. Press the Enter button to start editing the value. Use the up or down arrow on the keyboard to change the value to enable. Press Enter to finish editing. After changing the parameters, it should be as shown on the screen. Go to the tab Save and Exit and select Save and Exit Setup and press Enter key. After that, the computer will reboot and Windows will start. Starting a virtual machine. Loading the Windows operating system. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive notifications about new videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video.